Welcome. In front of me I have two smartphones, on the left the Realme 8 Pro and on the right Zenfone 7 Pro, and today we are going to make the speed test. We are going to check which one open apps faster, apps like social apps and the games like Wild Rift, PUBG or Call of Duty. But at first we are going to check which one is going to be turned on first. So let's turn them on. Okay. Let's see what is going to happen next. What do you think? Which one will be first? I think that the Zenfone with Snapdragon 865 Plus will be first. Yeah, it's first one. Okay, so let's unlock the phone. Now wait for Realme. Okay, there we are. So as you can see here, I prepare a couple of the apps. We got 10 apps, and we are going to turn them on. But at the first, just take a look that they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. They are enable location. So let's start. Let's start from the Google Chrome. The Zenfone a little bit faster. A little bit faster Zenfone. Let's go for the Gmail. Yeah, definitely. It was on the Zenfone. Let's go for the Google Maps. The Zenfone another time. Netflix. And oh, nice! As you can see, Realme 8 was first. Realme 8 Pro. Let's try to log in to account. And right now the first one was Zenfone, but the app opened at first on Realme. Let's go for the Instagram. Okay, I think the same speed, because the faster was on the Zenfone at the first, but when the new stuff, when new content login, I think it was the draw. Let's go for the TikTok. Yeah. Definitely faster on Zenfone. Right now let's try to get the Brawl Stars. And here faster on Zenfone. Let's try Wild Rift. And I think another time it will be on Zenfone, but let's wait. Okay, Zenfone first. As you can see, we are able to log in. But to be honest, Realme is not that far behind. It's much cheaper smartphone, but as you can see, it's really good. It's also fast. Let's try the Call of Duty. And Call of Duty faster on Zenfone. So right now we are going to make the same, but I'm not going to close these apps. They are in the background, as you can see when I open it, all of them. So let's try to open them again. Okay, let's start from Google Chrome. I think slightly faster Realme. YouTube. Right now I think it was Zenfone. Let's go for Gmail. I think another time Zenfone. Right now we can try to open the Google Maps. Zenfone slightly faster. Netflix faster on Zenfone than Instagram. Zenfone. TikTok. I think it was the same speed. The Brawl Stars. Yeah, Zenfone another time. Wild Rift. Whoa, did you see that guy? Realme 8 was faster than Zenfone. Nice. Call of Duty, I think the same speed. So as you can see, of course the Zenfone is faster than the Realme 8 Pro, but 2 or 3 times the Realme win. So for that price of that smartphone, I can really recommend you. It works really good. We tested that smartphone and that's good job, Realme, really good job. But Zenfone, of course, very expensive smartphone, but really cool also. So I can recommend you both devices, but if you are looking for a cheap smartphone, definitely take the Realme 8 Pro. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.